This is the today question. Insert a sort list. Uh, this is a linked list. So this question is about a pointer. Yeah, how to use move and use the pointer. Yeah. So I think the insertion sort, you already know. So just as this automation, yeah, that is we find a new node and we insert the new node to correct position. So after we insert every one, and this list will become a sorted list. This one is because it's in a linked list, so we have to move the element. So we have this problem has two key points. One is we could assume there is a list, and we should insert a node into the list. There are already a sorted list, so we have to insert one element in the sorted list. So in the code we have a function. This function we should separate this code into another function. It's easy to write. So we just have a while loop. We figure out each element, and we insert the element into the list. This is the list header. This is the element. After we go through all the elements, this will be finished. They will be finished. Will be done. So the other point is we could just compare it from because it's a list. If we do it from the end to point, we don't have the pointer, right? We just have from the head. We could insert from head to end. So we compare, such as this. We compare 2 with 1, 3. If we compare it between the 1 and 3, we will put it here. So that is another. We don't need to compare from end. We compare from head because we have a next pointer. So we compare from head. Yeah, that's the idea. Let us take a look at the code. This is the code. Just as I said, they loop every node, and they insert the node into the list. First of all, the first node we just skip, so we don't need to insert. The other thing is this function is very delicate. It's very simple logic. It's just insert this node into the sorted list. This is sorted list header. If header is null, return the node. Just return the node. We copy this header into another variable. This is previous node. So we loop if the header is not null, and the node is bigger than the header, so we have to move the node to the next value, right? So we save the previous and then we move next, and we after this we could find a good position, a right position. So we have 3 situations. One is we insert the new node at the beginning, or one is in the ending, or in the middle. So this is in the ending, at the ending, because the header is none. So we move to the ending. So we just the previous is the last node in the list. So we make the last node to the node, and we node to none. We don't forget this. At the beginning, I forget this. This is a loop in the list. So we should make the next node to none, and we could return header. If this is the insert into the beginning, because the previous is none, so that means we never move the head. So this node will be the new header. So we will return the node. This is in the middle. If in the middle, we just yeah, next previous next is no, no next is the head, so we just written. Yeah, this is not a very difficult question, but we should be careful. So that's all.